Nikon Imaging Cloud is Nikon's cloud service that can be accessed and used from cameras, computers, or smart devices with a Wi-Fi connection. Nikon Imaging Cloud can be used to create imaging recipes based on camera settings and shooting data extracted from images. Recipes can be created from these kinds of images. You can also save official recipes that have been published by Nikon. In addition, you can extract picture controls from these recipes, register them with the camera, and use them to shoot pictures. In this video, you will learn how to extract the picture controls included in the imaging recipes of sample images published on Nikon Imaging Cloud, and register them with your own camera for use in shooting. First, we will save a recipe by selecting an image with the picture controls we want to use. Tap Imaging Recipes at the bottom of the Nikon Imaging Cloud home screen. A screen like this will appear. Tap the Nikon Recipes tab. A list of sample images of recipes published by Nikon will be displayed. Tap Select. And select the checkboxes next to the images of the recipes you want to save. Once you have finished selecting recipes, tap Add to Saved Recipes. A dialog like this will appear, indicating that the recipes have been saved. Next, we will extract picture controls from the recipes we have saved and create a list of picture controls to transfer to the camera. Tap the Saved Recipes tab. The previously saved images will be displayed. Tap Select. Select the checkboxes next to the recipes from which you want to extract picture controls. Tap Batch Operation. An available camera list will appear in the pull-down menu. Tap the camera to which you want to transfer the picture controls. A list of extracted picture controls will be created in the Recipes Registered on the Camera tab. You can tap the Recipes Registered on the Camera tab to view the list of extracted picture controls. Picture controls will be displayed on the camera in the order of this list. In this screen, you can change the order of registered recipes or delete them. Next, we will transfer the list of picture controls we created in Nikon Imaging Cloud to the camera. Turn the camera on. When the camera connects to Nikon Imaging Cloud, picture controls will be sent to the camera. Once the picture controls have been sent, a notification mark like this one will appear. Select Set Picture Control in the Photo Shooting menu. Select Add Cloud Picture Control Files and press OK. This concludes the process to register picture controls. Registered picture controls will be displayed under Cloud Picture Control. You can register up to 9 types of picture controls.